So all these forces have aligned to crush the heart of psychiatry, which is really about restoring the individual to him or herself. That makes psychiatry public enemy number one.
What does that mean, restoring? I feel like you're
Yeah.
saying something very important, so I just want to make sure it's clear what it is. What does that mean, restoring a person to himself?
Well, so human beings really do have inborn talents. They have belief systems that evolve, but they're based upon something very deep. They suffer depression, anxiety, all manner of things when their stories are not known to them. When they think of people, let's say, in the family or others or events that unfolded as beneficial to them when they were, say, very bad for them. They need to recast the characters that they thought were the heroes in their lives and say, maybe not. Maybe when I abandoned myself, my interest, to take a common example, maybe when I allowed myself to not pursue that real passion of mine because I wanted to satisfy people around me, maybe that means that those people didn't love me as much as I thought they did, right? Now, that's an incredible epiphany when that happens. If a man, for instance, is supposed to be an artist and he goes around the globe doing deals to create wealth for his family because he's not sure what else to do because that was assigned to him,